our portable food concession storage bin. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 12 inches. A depth of 30 inches. And an overall height of 33.5 inches tall. Please note that the film can be peeled off. That's protecting the stainless steel. Perfect for your food trailers. This can be used as storage to store your products. With the interior measurements, we have 12 inches in length, 30 inches in depth, by 31 inches in height. Swing door can be opened and closed, and again, this can be used to store your products at any business, including your food trailer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.